Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing a video on what the best coffee cake is, or the best cake you can pair with your coffee. And this belongs to Starbucks, as they got this amazing piece of coffee cake, cinnamon coffee cake at that. Some delicious crumble on the top, nice cakey texture there. And it's all warmed up and made available anywhere. Any of your local Starbucks should carry this. And it's amazing. If you've never had one of these before and you like coffee cake, you should go try this out because it tastes really nice. It's got a lot of cinnamon to it, and then there's like a layer of icing, cinnamon icing in the middle, and then cake. So I'm gonna get right into this and kind of talk about why it's so good. And you can see it was warmed up to like literal perfection. It's got nice little pieces of cinnamon on there, and this goes perfectly with a coffee. I have a nice coffee today, or cold brew, and it goes very well with it. So there's something about the taste of coffee and the taste of a cinnamon cake that just go perfect together. Cinnamon's not normally, you do put cinnamon in some drinks, but eating cinnamon with a coffee is just perfect. There's no other combination like it. And this cake is really nice. Got a good thick consistency, and it's covered in cinnamon, a little crumble. So good. Nothing tops this. I've had quite a few different types of coffee cake before. I haven't found anything I've liked any more than the Starbucks kind. It's quick and easy to get, and it tastes amazing, so you can't go wrong with this. We'll spill a little bit on here. That's okay. I just love the texture of that. It's like nice melt in your mouth cake. Or I'm not a cake fan. I don't like cake. I love the coffee cake. The crumble on the top's really nice too. It's like kind of like breaks up the texture, and there's icing in the middle there. All so good. And it's warmed up fresh. So nice. As I said, it goes perfectly with a coffee. Can't get any better than that. So this is the best coffee cake out there, in my opinion. I really like it. And you can get a delicious coffee from Starbucks as well. That's a huge win. Utterly delicious. So if you've never had this before, do yourself a favor, go try it out. I'll give it like an 8, 8.5. It's the best coffee cake out there. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.